How to log in to Oculus account. So if you want to log into Oculus, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and you can search for Oculus login. Once you've searched, here you will have login Oculus on the first. Click on the first search and here it will take you to the login page. So to log into your account, you can continue with your Facebook, Instagram, or email. So I'll be choosing email, and then you need to enter your email address and click on next. And here you can enter your password. And here you need to enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. And once you're done, you can click on login, which is on the bottom. And once you click on login, it will ask you to enter the confirmation code. So you need to simply open up your mail that you have just used, open up your Gmail, and then you will get a code. Simply copy this code and then paste it here and click on continue. And that's it. Click on OK and you've been logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Oculus account, or that's how you log into your Meta Quest. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.